In this module, we will look at some practical examples of the SRA Code of Conduct in action. Let's look at indirect instructions, or who is the client. Where instructions are received, not from a client but from a third party, ostensibly on behalf of that client, or by only one client on behalf of others in a joint matter, a solicitor must first identify the client for whom they will act, Part 8.1 of the Code, obtain confirmation from the client that he wishes him to act, and that the instructions reflect the client's wishes, Part 3.1 of the Code, or see the client in order to obtain instructions directly from him. Such confirmation need not be in writing, although written confirmation is certainly good practice and provides evidence that all clients have agreed with the instructions. It is a general principle of professional conduct that a prospective client who is seeking a solicitor must have a free and informed choice as to whom to instruct. The solicitor who obtains instructions indirectly must therefore expressly confirm those instructions with the client himself. You must also ensure that you give the client information in a way that they can understand, and that they are in a position to make informed decisions about the services they need, how their matter will be handled, and the options available to them, Part 8.6 of the Code. So, for example, a friend gives you instructions to sell a house on behalf of his mother, who is the owner of the house. The client in this case will be the mother, not the friend, and the instructions must be confirmed directly with the mother, and that such instructions reflect the mother's wishes in order to ensure that the client wishes the disposal to go ahead and is not being pressurized into disposal by the son, Part 3.1 of the Code.